Now that the stage is set for facilitating God's plan for humanity with established transportation routes, port cities, common language of trade, language family for communication, smooth roads for foot travel. Galatians 4 verse 4 says that when the set time had fully come, God sent his Son, born of a woman, born under the law. Mark's Gospel and the book of Acts hints of the existence of an early African Hebrew faith community during Jesus' earthly ministry. Also, in the upper room at Pentecost, after Jesus' resurrection, Jesus had sent the Holy Spirit to fall upon the devout men present. Being informed and inspired, those from Africa took Jesus' worldwide mission for the church back to their homeland. Eventually, African Messianic missionaries became among the leaders who planted the church in Antioch. It was from this church that believers were first called Christians, as a character label, not as a religion with doctrinal consensus. All of this, while Saul had yet to be called Paul, teach or write as an apostle. Then the Holy Spirit told the African and other church leaders to pray and lay hands upon Saul, and then sent him on his first missionary journey. Discover more by clicking on the links to the second of 11 session videos, as well as to the book Surveying Christianity's African Roots, in the description below.